What we had here was two issues. We had 4 outlets that were broken, and I had no way of being able to repair them because you need special tools to be able to get the wires into the outlets on an RV outlet. So we had 4 outlets that we were no longer able to use until we had it repaired. And we also had a cable problem where the cable TV didn't operate any longer. And the problem was an issue with the wire was separated at a connector underneath the coroplast in the back, near the TV slide. And that's an issue that I had tried to chase down on my own, but I was not aware of that particular connection. Chris was able to get underneath the RV with his equipment and pop down the coroplast, found the loose connection, and had it fixed very quickly. It's outstanding. I mean, the thing is, not only do they know everything about the RV and what things can happen, but he knows right off the bat how to repair them right now. And without, you know, me, I'm going to be chasing around trying to figure the thing out. They have the expertise, they've got the tools, and they got me taken care of very quickly. And this is the second rally that I've been to, and I wasn't even aware that Grand Design did these things until we went to a rally last year, and I wasn't even aware that this was something, one of the perks that they provided. But they take care of their people, and then when somebody goes down, when I have called Grand Design for customer service on the phone to help troubleshoot an issue, they're always there to be able to talk you through a problem and see if they can correct an issue over the telephone or what needs to be taken care of next. I've never been left hanging.